Hello again. In this video I will explain how I made the application for smart home project using MIT App Inventor. I will start with the Bluetooth, how to connect and disconnect the Bluetooth. We go to blocks and we check the code. Here the code says when the list picker, like before we picking up, just show me the elements for all devices are around. When you pick one of these elements, these addresses, Bluetooth addresses, so set the scan to the selection to the devices that you select and connect to this address. Then here for status showing on the monitor on the screen, we said if the Bluetooth is connected, says is connected, like speak. When we clicked on the disconnect button, we says here call the Bluetooth disconnect, like disconnect the Bluetooth, and if the Bluetooth is not connected, speak disconnected and set the text color to the red. You can see here it's changed to the red. Yeah, this is all about the Bluetooth. It's easy. Then we go to sensors, read. We initialized the variables called input and it's equal to 0, and we initialized also a global list with the empty list. So now we can add the variables coming from the Arduino to the Bluetooth, and we add them to this list. As we know from previous video, we send the string value from Arduino. It has all the contents, all the sensors value in one message. So now in this code, when we receive this, we have to separate them, like to put them in specific place for each variables of this string. Here we are checking if the Bluetooth is connected or not. If it's connected, change the text that showing before. Change the text to the connected and color to the green, sorry. Then we check again if the variables, if the bytes coming from Arduino to the application it's more than 15, so we can start separate them. So we are receiving now this string from Arduino to the application. Then here we said if you see this comma between in this string, so separate the value. As showing here, the first value is the motion, so we send it to the first place in specific place that we need, and the second value is the water fluid, the third one is humidity, and the fourth is temperature. So we spread them, so we can see when we see the comma, spread them. So now we have every one of the every value in the specific place. That's all about receiving from Arduino. Now we will talk about the sending from application to Arduino. Actually it's very easy because here we have buttons only. When we clicked on the button, we send character. For example, when we clicked on the gate, we send character O. So in Arduino code, when we received or do something, like in this situation open the gate, and when receive it again close the gate. So this is all about the sending from application. This is all are same. We send it first time, we change it from the Arduino code, and when we send it again it comes back to its place.